So the bass line to No Woman No Cry is actually really simple, and we're only going to be using the bottom half of the C major scale. So if I start on C, on the 3rd fret of the A string, we're just simply going to go down the scale until we reach the F, down here. So we have C, B, A, G, and F. Now the bass line is going to sound like this. And when we play we can actually use the F that is an octave higher. So we can go Just remember this when you're playing the melody, because depending on how long and strong your fingers are, it may be easier to be using the F octave higher or the F down here. So our chorus melody is going to be using the top half of the C major scale. So we're going to be using our F on the 1st fret of the E string, our open E, D, C. And we're going to be going E, D, E, D, C. So it's and then the second half is going to be that's E, F, E, D, C. Now when we add the bass line to this, we're going to be going C in the bass with our open E on the top, and we're going and then changing to B with the D. And whilst we're holding this B, we're going to go D, E, D. So we have C and an E, and then B with D, E, D. And then we're going to go C. Our note C is going to be anticipated before we hit the A in the bass. So we're going to go C and then A straight after. So we have now we can do this in 2 ways. We can go with our 2nd finger and then use the F in the bass, or we can go with our 1st finger and use the F an octave higher. So altogether we have and then the second part, back to the C, same with the E, and then we're going to probably need to use the F an octave higher here. We're going to go F up here with the F in the bass, E, D, C, and back on the C in the bass. Notice this C is also anticipated before we hit the bass note as well.